Kindan hadu kumbasan spangut ki Khynnah Skul ki ban yo eka jing Pynshai na ki riu shampang haka jala ka ban ningkong Halor ki Jingshyrkhei Drok. Ya kani ka rai la shem haka jingalang hapadeng menteri katanat social welfare ka sorkar jala ba pol do bat kinong yalam niam ka jala hapo kalama jo ka Shillong All Faith Forum ka balong hane ka sngi ha sekretariat. Menteri ula pentebru baya ka tega jing Pynshai na ka bantaki samla puli na du kelas 10 hadu kelas 12 kan long haka tayo baningkong uno pra mentausnem.
Very fruitful, very meaningful interaction with members of the Shillong All Faith Forum, comprising of faith leaders of various religious institutions and denominations. The meeting is a follow-up of the last interactive session which I had with all stakeholders, including these faith leaders. The idea behind the meeting was that the various religious institutions wanted to actively support the efforts of the government of Meghalaya to contain, control and sensitize people, especially the young, about the pitfalls and the dangers that await them if they are involved in drug menace in any form. So we have broadly decided that along with the religious heads, they will come up with a calendar of activities starting from tentatively the 5th of December, where we propose to have a day-long seminar and awareness program involving students of class 10 up to class 12 on the drug scene and the menace of drug trafficking in the state. And after there will be resource persons from departments like social welfare, home police, and also from the religious heads. But this will just be how we kickstart the efforts. But after that, we will sustain these interactions by having this calendar of activities where we will not only confine ourselves to Shillong but also cover other areas where especially the menace of drugs has reached those areas. So that was the purpose of the meeting, and I'm thankful to the religious heads for having shown very keen interest and also deep concern regarding the drug scene in the state, because we need their sustained support. Government by itself will not be able to successfully contain this menace on its own without the active support of civil society and the faith leaders. We also discussed the idea of their having at regular intervals drug awareness programs, whether it's in the church or in the mandars or in the masjid. So we're happy that all major religious groups have come together, and they have a forum comprising of 26 eminent personalities drawn from those various groups. And we have also authorized one of the members, the secretary of the forum, Father Robert Majau, to coordinate with the Department of Social Welfare, and then they will reach out to the various schools who will then send their children to participate in this initial awareness program on the 5th of December. So that is on today's meeting.